Hello South Africa. These parts of Cape Town will be without water from Tuesday. A number of areas in the city of Cape Town will be without water from Tuesday, October 17th up to November 2023 due to planned maintenance. The city's Water and Sanitation Directorate will be doing planned maintenance work in the identified areas, which will result in water supply disruptions. Zero pressure tests, ZPT, and conditional assessments in parts of Cape Town. Tests are done in advance to see if any unmapped inflows need to be considered before installing smart pressure reducing valves. In these affected areas, some residents may experience low water pressure, and some may have no water coming out of their taps for some time during this overnight testing period. It is not possible to predict which areas or streets will experience disruptions, the Metro said. Conditional testing on the other hand ensures that the pressure-reducing valves, PRVs, in the water supply network are operating effectively and managing the pressures at the determined settings to preserve the lifespan of the pipeline and reduce the occurrence of water wastage resulting from pipe bursts. Pressure fluctuations may be experienced, but will be minimized as far as possible. Maintenance work, pipe and valve installations, repairs and replacements. This work will result in the water supply disruption to these areas: Bantry Bay and Fresnay, Sir Lowry's Pass area, Somerset West, Extension 12, Cannon Cop, Sherwood Park and Beacon Hill, Atlantis, Hout Bay and part of Lansdowne. The city of Cape Town has since urged residents to store sufficient water in advance and to keep their taps closed on the day to prevent water loss and or damage when the water supply is restored. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.